The custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 emerges as a breathtaking testament to meticulous craftsmanship and timeless design, celebrated for its near-perfect balance of performance and aesthetics. Customized to embody the essence of Italian engineering excellence, this motorcycle captivates enthusiasts with its blend of heritage and modern innovation. Originally introduced in the 1980s, the Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 earned a reputation for its powerful V-twin engine, distinctive styling, and spirited performance. Today, customizers continue to honor its legacy by transforming it into a bespoke masterpiece that pushes the boundaries of motorcycle customization. At the heart of the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 is its meticulously tuned V-twin engine, which retains the original's robust power delivery and signature exhaust note while incorporating modern enhancements for reliability and performance. Each component is carefully selected and tuned to maximize efficiency and responsiveness, ensuring an exhilarating riding experience on both urban streets and winding highways. Visually, the custom Le Mans 1000 captivates with its striking aesthetics and attention to detail. Custom paint schemes, premium finishes, and bespoke components elevate its appearance, showcasing the artisanal skill and passion invested in its creation. Every curve and contour is a testament to the customizer's vision and dedication to achieving perfection. The cockpit of the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 reflects a harmonious blend of retro charm and contemporary functionality. Upgraded instrumentation, ergonomic controls, and premium upholstery enhance rider comfort and confidence, inviting enthusiasts to embark on memorable journeys with style and sophistication. Beyond its visual and performance enhancements, the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 embodies a spirit of individuality and exclusivity. Each custom build is a reflection of its owner's personality and preferences, offering a unique expression of automotive artistry that transcends mass-produced motorcycles. The craftsmanship and attention to detail evident in the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 underscore the enduring appeal of custom motorcycles as personalized works of art. From its handcrafted components to its meticulously tuned engine, every aspect of the motorcycle reflects a dedication to achieving excellence and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in motorcycle customization. As enthusiasts and collectors alike admire the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000, discussions within the motorcycle community revolve around its impact on the custom bike scene. With its blend of heritage-inspired design and modern performance capabilities, the Le Mans 1000 serves as a benchmark for aspiring customizers and a source of inspiration for future generations of motorcycle enthusiasts. In conclusion, the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 stands as a testament to the artistry and passion of custom motorcycle builders. Approaching perfection in both form and function, it embodies the spirit of innovation and individuality that defines the custom bike culture. As enthusiasts celebrate its timeless design and exhilarating performance, the custom Moto Guzzi Le Mans 1000 continues to inspire admiration and awe among those who appreciate motorcycles as more than just machines, but as expressions of craftsmanship and personal style.